We've been talking to you about a fundraising effort we've launched here at First News. Help from the Valley is going on right now. It's a telethon right here in our studios to raise money for the victims of Hurricane Harvey. We have a phone bank manned by volunteers ready to take your calls. That's where we find First News anchor Dave Sess. He's been talking with leaders from the American Red Cross about the relief effort and what we all can do to help out.
And remember, a telephone works two ways. You have one person on our end, one person on your end. We want you to reach for the phone. We're here to take your phone call to help the American Red Cross. And we've got some great corporate sponsors to help us out with this effort to match your gift. And one of those is Vallourec Star here in Youngstown. And Judson Wallace joins us now. Why did Vallourec want to get involved?
Well, Vallourec wanted to get involved obviously for just helping the community, but there is a connection with Vallourec Star in Youngstown and Houston. We have a finishing operation. So we make the pipe here in Youngstown, and we send some of it to Houston to be finished, and we've got about 200 employees down there, and about, as far as we know right now, there's about 30 of them that have been completely flooded out. So any help that we can get for the Red Cross just goes to help our employees down there.
And that plant has been closed since Friday.
That plant has been closed since Friday. We plan to open up tomorrow. Fortunately, our plant didn't have any water in it, so we're able to get started fairly quickly. But our employees, or a number of them, like I said, are affected.
But you're here, yes, that it is a big problem, not only at the companies, but also around that entire area.
Oh, yes. In fact, I was originally from Houston. I was raised there, so I know what the situation is down there. It's been pretty dramatic. It's pretty tragic right now. We've got a lot of flooding, and a lot of people are out of homes.
And Judson's here. He's actually on. You've been on the phones. You've been talking to people.
I have. We've been talking to people. We thank everybody for calling in. It's just wonderful. All of the spirit of contributing to the cause. It's really wonderful.
We appreciate your help. We couldn't do it without you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You're welcome.
Just remember, if you give a gift, say $10, it's matched by Vallourec Star, it's matched by Boak & Sons, it's matched by Cavelli Enterprises, so $10 becomes $40, $20, $80. Give $100. It'll become a $400 impact for the American Red Cross helping out in Texas.